Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Phono Guy. I'm here today. We talking about the Apple launched two iPhone 9 models in 2020 to replace the iPhone SE model. As busy as the Apple was in 2019, 2020 might be even busier as a new Digitime reports claim that Apple is working on two new iPhone models to replace the iPhone SE, both of which will reportedly be branded as iPhone 9. Since the phone will likely feature a similar design to that of the iPhone 8, it will occasionally make sense for Apple to use the number 8 skip it. Apple is likely to launch as many as 6 iPhone devices in 2020, 4 OLED models and 2 LCD ones according to source at Taiwan handset supply chain. I read this information from Digitimes. It's worth noting that the only evidence in the report is a claim from a source that clip-on technology, which makes display driver chips for LCDs, has received order for two different LCD devices. That does not necessarily mean that the Apple is going to launch two iPhone 9 models at once, but prolific Apple analyst Ming Chi Q did say last month that an iPhone SE 2 Plus is being prepared for 2021. Perhaps that the second LCD device from the report, but we are going to need more evidence if we are expected to believe Apple is releasing 6 iPhones model in 2020. As for the other four recent reports have suggested the Apple will release 4 OLED iPhone models this year in 2020. One will have a 5.4-inch display, one will have a 6.7-inch display, and two will feature a 6.1-inch display. All four models are expected to be compatible with 5G as well and will look similar to the iPhone 11 lineup. The Apple analysts say the iPhone SE 2 will come in a 64GB and 128GB storage configuration with their color options silver, space gray and red. He also predicts that the starting price of the new cheaper iPhone will be $399. While the iPhone SE 2 label has been widely used as a shorthand for the replacement entry-level iPhone expected to be launched this year, we are not expecting it to look like anything like the slab-sided compact iPhone SE. Instead, we are expecting it to essentially be an iPhone 8 with updated internals, and one recent report suggests it might be called the iPhone 9. So guys, this is the current update about the upcoming Apple iPhone lineup. Apple iPhone lineup is coming in this year September. Every year they launch their smartphone in September and we expect the all 6 models are really great. So hope you like this video, like it and subscribe for more tech videos and enable the bell icon for latest video notification. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.